Hi, I'm Tao from Modified Tech, and I'm going to introduce our latest products from now. First, I want to talk about our bolt action rifle. So, you may know we cooperated with Team ASG in 2021, and we released this Style Scout. And in 2022, we released this advanced version of Style Scout. Is Style Elite. Yeah, you can tell the difference by the appearance. So first you can see the barrel is thicker and longer. It's a ball barrel with 1460W. And then you can see the rail is extra lens from Style Scout. You can put like all kind of optics in here. Then you can see the handle. The handle is bow shaped. Compared to Style Scout, it's bow shaped. It's different. It is easier to grip. Yes. And as you can see, we also have a adjustable cheekpiece and butt plate. You can adjust this and this as your preference. As like Style Scout, the stock is nylon fiber, and you also have a integrated bipod. So you can pull the bipod up, you can stand nicely. And you also have extra storage for some tools. You can put some tools in here. And what's more is you can put another magazine here. That's quite convenient. And the best part of Style Elite is hop-out system. The hop-out system is TDC wheel, so you can adjust your hop-up in a game, in the field, and it provides like 120 clicks in this hop-up system, so you can adjust it very precisely and conveniently. Now, I'm introducing you some suppressors. This two suppressor is a mark barrel suppressor. So for a lot of airsoft players, if you play like snipers, you encounter issues is that when you put regular suppressor on it, it might be too long, and it's very inconvenient. So we developed this. So it's a mark barrel suppressor. You can just put on it and it will cover the barrel. And what's more about this suppressor is you can disassemble this thing. And you can assemble as your preference. So you also can put a tracer in here. And if it's legal to your country, you can also put foam in here, so you can decrease the voice. And it comes out with two colors, one is tan, one is black. Next we move on to PP2K series. In this year we just released this one new PP2000, and you can see the difference by the lettering on the receiver. You can see it says PP2000 in Russian, so it's just like a real gun, and the old one PP2K is a difference. And we also changed some inter parts of it to make it more strong Yeah. And talk about PP2K, let's come to OS 126. This one, OS 126 shares same platform as PP2K. So you can buy the PP2K and the conversion kit of OS 126. You can change PP2K into this beast here. Yeah, you can see the rail. It provides a lot of place to install your gears. You can pull a handle, you can pull some optics, you can pull flashlights here. Yeah. And the barrel is more longer, and it also provides a M4 tube. So you can also adjust this tube. Okay. And at last, I'm going to introduce you Extreme Duty AR-15 series. In this series, we made 3 models of it. You can tell the difference by the lens. We have carbine, we have CQB, and PDW. So, as you can see, the handguard system is an lock system. You also can pull a lot of gears on it, and the rail is here. You can pull optics. And provides 3 firing modes. It's like single, full auto, and safety. Yeah. And the stock is adjustable. It's very large space, you can adjust. This one is carbine, and this one is CQB. They're quite same. The difference, the most obviously different is the lens. And this one is PDW. The stock is also adjustable. And last, we just released this XTC Airsoft gun this year. You can see we changed the chemo system into M-lock system. Yeah. That's all. Thank you.